In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a Wise account in Japan. We'll walk through the process on a mobile device step by step so you can follow along with confidence. Before you begin, make sure you have a reliable internet connection and access to the email inbox and phone number you plan to use, since you'll need both for verification. Start by opening the Wise app on your mobile phone. Once the app loads, look for the option to register and tap it. You'll be asked to enter an email address. Use an email you can check right away, as important confirmations and security messages will arrive there. Take a moment to double check for typos. A small mistake here can delay your sign up. After you enter your email, verify it and click Confirm. Head to your inbox, find the message from Wise, and use the confirmation link or button provided. If you don't see it immediately, refresh your inbox and check your spam or promotions folders just in case. Avoid forwarding this email or sharing any verification details with anyone. Return to the app and click Next. You'll now choose the type of account you need. Select Personal if you're opening an account for your own spending, transfers, and savings. Choose Business if you're signing up on behalf of a company, freelance work, or any professional activity. If you're unsure, think about how you'll use the account most often. You can always review Wise's guidance later to confirm the best fit. Next, select your country or region. Use the search field to find Japan, then tap it. This ensures the app sets the correct options like local regulations and currency preferences. When you've selected Japan, click Continue. On the following screen, click Next to proceed. You'll then be prompted to enter your phone number. Enter a number you can access on this device since Wise will send a verification code to it. Make sure the number is accurate and formatted as you normally use it in Japan. If you're traveling or using a temporary number, be sure you'll keep access long enough to finish setup and receive future security messages. Finally, click Send Code. A text message or call with a verification code will arrive shortly. Keep your device close and notifications enabled so you don't miss it. That's all you need to complete this stage of creating your Wise account in Japan on mobile. Take your time, keep your details secure, and follow the prompts on screen. Thanks for watching, and you're well on your way to getting set up.